So let's have a look at our first challenge. So in this challenge we are going to have a look at the FizzBuzz algorithm, and if you want to learn more about the history of FizzBuzz and a little bit of, getting a bit of context on it, you can have a look at this Wikipedia resource here. But I'll just walk you through the basics of FizzBuzz. So let's look at our test here. Or I don't know, actually let's look at this function that we have here. So we have this FizzBuzz file, and all it is a function that takes in some type of value and returns that value, which is not going to be good enough. Now, so in the test we are including that FizzBuzz algorithm or that function that we are going to implement, and then we declare our FizzBuzz test, and then we have a bunch of tests here. So let's look at the first test. So it returns fizz if the number is divisible by 3. So we expect that if I give this function a 3, it's going to return fizz. That's pretty straightforward, right? And if the number is divisible by 5, it's going to return buzz. Okay, so if I give it a 5, the word I should get back is buzz. And let's have a look here. Returns FizzBuzz if the number is divisible by 3 and 5. Alright, so I expect that it's going to return FizzBuzz, and I give it 15, and then I expect there to be basically, I expect it to return FizzBuzz. Okay, simple enough. And this last test here is a little bit bigger. So returns the correct values for an array of values. So here I have a array of different things. Okay, so I expect that 0, or the first element here, should be FizzBuzz, and then I expect 1, 2, fizz, and so on and so on. So I expect all of these things here too. This is the expected return structure of whatever is going to happen next. Alright, so I have an array here called numbers, and I loop through all of these numbers, and I add those numbers to the array, and then I do numbers.map with FizzBuzz, which is my function here. And now I expect whatever's coming back here to be this structure here. Okay, that seems straightforward enough. And yeah, that's basically the challenge. So my number, the function should check if a number is divisible by 3, if it's divisible by 5, and if it's divisible by 3 and 5. And that's the whole challenge. Good luck, guys.